Hey guys, so I'm sorry if the lighting is terrible and everything. I wasn't going to film this, but I decided last minute, yeah, why not? I'm going to film this. So, I'm sitting on the floor in my beauty room and I am going to be hopefully piercing my own ears. I already have my ears pierced. I've had them stretched to a 00 before, back in my teenage days. But, so if you notice that my lobe is a little bit larger than normal, that is why. But I want to pierce my second hole. I've always wanted my second hole. But let's be honest, I'm completely terrified of needles and piercings and everything, which is weird because, like, I have a tattoo and my ears pierced. And I did used to have my lip and nose pierced as well. But, I've never actually done any of it myself. So hopefully that is what's going to happen today. If you're seeing this video, then it happened. I just got off work like an hour ago and I decided I'm just going to go for it. So the way this is going to go is I had ordered some piercing kits, single-use piercing kits off of Amazon Prime a few days ago. And originally I was going to have someone do this for me, but they are currently unable to help me and I'm impatient and wanted to film it anyway. So I got a kit off of Amazon. It has 4 of the single-use piercing kits in it. And it came with alcohol pads. So I'm going to start off by cleaning off both of my ears. I feel like my ear shape is really weird. It's got like, I've got a fat lobe and then like a divot in my ear. Yeah. Oh, and if you have any questions about the piercing guns that I have, like I said, I got them off Amazon. I forgot to tell you that it is a set of 4 and it was like $11.99 or something like that. Super cheap and also super terrifying. I did watch some YouTube videos on other girls doing this themselves or with friends, and God, this is terrifying. So what it is it's got the earring in there and then the back of the earring is right here. You basically just have to push really hard, really fast, and you cannot stop, and your ear will be pierced. It just doesn't look very sharp, and oh my god, that's scary. I think I'm gonna move locations. You guys, we're gonna move locations so I have a mirror in front of me. Okay, I kind of marked new dots with a new color and I am so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my god. I don't even know how to angle it. Like, do I go straight? Do I go like this? Like, oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. My heart is beating so fast. So fast. I want to throw up. I want to throw up. I don't want to, but I feel like I'm going to. Okay, I still feel so scared and I'm ooh. Okay. Hello, I'm back. As you can see, it is a completely different day, which means obviously I chickened out and I did not pierce my own ears. But they are pierced now, as you can see. I got them pierced this morning. Yes, both of them. This thing was used. I had 4 of them, remember? So I still have 2 left, technically. So what has happened was I had completely chickened out and I could not do it myself. So I asked a friend of mine if she would do it for me, and she graciously agreed to do it for me. So that is what happened. Melissa, you a real one. She did really well, and I felt safe with her doing it, which is crazy because if you know her, girl. So yeah, she did it, and I recorded it. But we have to do some like editing magic with that, so I don't know exactly what is or is not going to be shown. Let me just tell you, I hate needles. I know I said all of this before. I hate needles. I hate blood drawn, shots, all of it. I did have my lip and nose pierced before, and I do have tattoos, but I hate needles. I was terrified to have this done. I was kind of freaking out, honestly, but this is where we placed it because my ears are shaped kind of weird. I have fat lobes and a weird indent in my ear. But yeah, she did it, and I was freaking out. I was so worried it was going to hurt, and literally when she did it, I went like this, like I tensed up and squinted and whatever. But I didn't do it because it hurt. I did it because of the sound it was making kind of freaked me out, which usually when you get like blood drawn or shots or anything, the sound is what freaks me out the most, which is the same in this case. Like, the sound is what freaked me out, not the actual pain. I honestly didn't even really feel it. It did not hurt. Like, there was no like pinching or anything like that. It just kind of like, the sound got me. I was literally like, did you do it? And then I was like, oh my god, it's in my ear. So if you're worried about it hurting and that's why you're watching this video, which is probably why you're watching this video, it doesn't hurt. If you're gonna try this, just make sure that you clean your hands, your ears, your piercing after it's in, multiple times a day when it's in, fresh, all of that. Just make sure that it's clean and you should be okay. If you're worried about the pain, don't be. I mean, like, if it's cartilage or something like that, maybe it'll hurt more, probably will hurt more, but I don't know because I didn't do that. But
nah, I'm just doing for
Melissa, I don't know if I can. Did you do it?
yeah.
You did it?
Oh yeah, Melissa the professional.
That didn't even fucking hurt. Can you get the plastic off?
Oh yeah.
So again, thank you, Melissa, for offering your bravery and your hands and doing this for me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you got the answers that you wanted out of it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I plan on uploading more often. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and also let me know if I should grow my bangs out or if I should cut them shorter, because I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, thanks again, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.